Good morning. Hello, my little babies. How are you all? I'm your Hazelman. Do you remember what did we do in the last session? We had done alphabet A. Now, let's do a quick recap of alphabet A and learn a new alphabet B. Capital A. A, say A. A for apple. A for ant. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. Capital B. B says bird. B for butterfly. B for bat. B for ball. B for balloon. B for bus. So children, let's revise once again. Capital B. B says bird. B for butterfly. B for bat. B for ball. B for balloon. B for bus. Now, let's do an activity related to alphabet B. Children, what is this? This is B says bird, B for balloon. Now, I've got some circle paper here, cutouts and a glue. We are going to apply glue and stick these circles inside the balloon and make a very nice and decorative balloon. So, let's do. Now, I'm going to apply the glue in the balloon. Can you see? We are going to apply glue over here and then we are going to stick the colorful circles. See what ma'am is doing. Ma'am is applying glue all around the balloon. Now we are going to take the colorful circles and paste it. See children, it is so colorful. Pasting the circles on the glue. Wow, isn't it so colorful? You can do this activity with help of your parents or elder brother or elder sister. Can you see? It really looks beautiful, isn't it? We are using all different colors of circle to paste inside the balloon. Now again we are going to apply glue here inside the balloon and we are going to paste the circles again. Look children. See how colorful and nice it looks. Isn't it an interesting activity? Look here children. You can do it at home and you can enjoy doing it. Here. Wow. It is so colorful. Can you see? we have filled the balloon with all the colorful circles. Isn't it lovely? Wow! See? It's so interesting, and doesn't it look very beautiful? Hope you enjoyed the activity. Bye. Take care. See you in the next session.